In 1966, in Ireland, emergency responders entered the small apartment of an elderly woman named Mary Reeser. What they found inside shocked even the most experienced investigators. Mary's body had been almost completely reduced to ashes. Her armchair was badly burned. The ceiling above her was blackened. But everything else in the room, the curtains, newspapers, wooden furniture, was almost completely untouched. There was no sign of a house fire. No overturned candles. No faulty wiring. It was as if Mary Reeser had burned from the inside out. This was not an isolated case. For over 2 centuries, similar incidents have been reported across Europe and North America. The victims were often found alone, their bodies nearly destroyed by fire, while their surroundings remained strangely intact. In many cases, only a single limb, a foot, a leg, or a hand, was left behind. Witnesses described unsettling details. Some spoke of rooms filled with an unusual blue flame. Others claimed there was no smoke, no spreading fire, just a body collapsing into ash. Doctors and scientists struggled to explain what they were seeing. The most widely accepted explanation became known as the wick effect. According to this theory, clothing acts like a candle's wick, while body fat serves as fuel. Once ignited, the body could theoretically burn slowly at extremely high temperatures without setting the room on fire. But the theory has problems. Many victims were not intoxicated. Some did not smoke. Others were found far from any obvious ignition source. And in several cases, the fires burned hot enough to melt metal, something ordinary house fires rarely do. Investigators also noted something deeply disturbing. The victims often appeared to have made no attempt to escape. No signs of struggle. No defensive injuries. No effort to flee. Which raises an uncomfortable question. Were they unconscious? Or did they never realize they were burning? Modern science has yet to provide a single explanation that fits every case. Official reports often rule the deaths as accidental, but quietly admit that the exact cause remains unknown. To this day, spontaneous human combustion exists in a strange place between documented reality and unanswered mystery. And perhaps the most terrifying thought of all is this. If it happened to them, could it happen again?